Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get perfect chocolate-dipped strawberries. First, select the best berries. Look for firm, ripe ones with their green stems intact. Next, wash them gently, and this is crucial, dry them completely. Any water on the strawberries can cause your chocolate to seize, ruining its smooth texture. Finally, gather all your supplies, including parchment paper, before you begin melting your chocolate. For the best results, use a high-quality chocolate with a good percentage of cocoa butter, ideally over 30%. You can melt it gently using a double boiler, stirring until smooth. Alternatively, microwave in 30-second bursts, stirring well after each until just melted. Proper tempering is key for a beautiful, glossy finish and to prevent that dull, streaky appearance known as blooming. This step makes all the difference. Now for the fun part. Hold each strawberry by its stem and dip it into the melted chocolate, twisting gently to coat evenly. Lift it out and let any excess chocolate drip back into the bowl for a few seconds. Then, carefully place the dipped strawberry onto a sheet of parchment paper. If you're adding sprinkles or a contrasting chocolate drizzle, do it immediately while the chocolate is still wet. Once dipped and decorated, allow your strawberries to set. You can let them firm up at room temperature if your kitchen isn't too warm, or place them in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once set, store them in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 2 days for optimal freshness. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your beautiful, delicious creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.